Computer MCQs test number 3, and the first question is, you can organize files by storing them in dash question mark. Its answer is option B, folders. Next question. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Question mark. And its correct option is option A, printers. Next question. Which device is required for the internet connection? Its answer is option B, modem. Next question. What is a light pen? Its answer is option B, optical input device. Next question. UNIVAC is dash. UNIVAC is stand for. Its answer is option A, universal automatic computer. Option A is correct. Next question. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disks was question mark. Its answer is option D, 1.44 MB. MB stands for megabyte. Next question. MICR stands for. Its answer is option A, magnetic ink character recognition. Option A is correct. Next question. EBCDIC stands for. Its answer is option A, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Next question. Which of the following is a part of central processing unit? Its answer is option D, arithmetic and logic unit. Next question. CAD stands for. Its answer is option B, computer algorithm for design. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.